Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Vinyl liner pools. Overall, vinyl liner pools are the cheapest in-ground swimming pools that money can buy. It's rare to find a pool builder who can build a concrete or fiberglass pool at a vinyl liner pool price.
Let's help you make your mark.
1. Real estate value. Despite what you may have heard in the past, yes, an in-ground swimming pool does increase the value of your home. A few years ago, the National Association of Realtors stated that on average, an in-ground swimming pool will increase a home's value by 4 to 6%. 8 June 2010.
Let's help you make your mark.
Overall, installing your own in-ground fiberglass pool can save you between $6,000 and $10,000. However, if something goes wrong, you might end up spending a lot more trying to fix it. You may also experience more delays or setbacks than you would if you left it up to an experienced professional.
Let's help you make your mark.
Here are 5 ways to save money, whether it's a few $100s or thousands. Choose vinyl. Vinyl pools are markedly less expensive than either concrete or fiberglass, in terms of initial price tag, anyway. Go with a smaller pool. Use a pool kit. Install in the fall. Cut out the extras. The 13th of March 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
This is the ultimate answer to the question, why are pools so expensive? They are expensive because they are large, involve a lot of different components, and take a lot of skill and effort to install.
Let's help you make your mark.
In a nutshell, if you want to build a swimming pool, you might be considering pool financing, meaning some kind of loan or credit you can use specifically for the project. Options can include unsecured personal loans, home equity loans, HELOCs, or financing through a pool dealer. 23 November 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.